Today's word is area. What does it mean? Where do you use it? Let's find out these and more.
Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of vocabulary videos, we're going to look at individual words or phrases and discuss around 6 aspects: pronunciation, meaning, the primary use, using the word or phrase in a sentence, a few relevant questions, if any, and some synonyms, again, if any. Let's start.
Pronunciation. Area. The first syllable is stressed. Area. So air is stressed. Area. Use. Primarily mathematics, but it has other uses also. Now let's look at the meaning and sentences along with them. Generally, area means a space or stretch or extent. We look at 7 different ways of using this word. This shows the flexibility of English language. First, part. Any particular stretch of space or surface. Let's look at a sample sentence. The dark areas in the X-ray points to significant excessive gas. The dusty areas of the room pointed to a definite lack of cleanliness. Second is tract. It means a geographical region. The Noida area experienced fewer riots and lesser damage to public property. The Lutyens Delhi area is cleaner than the rest of the city. Third, any section reserved for a specific function. The dining area was painted in bright colors. The business area of the city was sealed off by the police, fearing increased damage. Fourth, range or scope of inquiries. The area of the inquiry commission was demarcated in the judicial order. Fifth is a field of study. Advait Vedant was his area of research. Sixth is length times breadth. So the area of the room was 180 square feet. Seventh. Now this is a typical British English, UK English. Areaway. It's a sunken space that leads to the basement. It's also a path between 2 buildings.
If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more such videos regularly. Also, don't forget to use these words in your daily conversations. That's the only way you can make these words to your list of active vocabulary. Remember, you've got to own it to use it. Merely watching this video once and passing over to another will not help you.
Now let's look at some synonyms. First is part. The synonyms are zone, sector, section. Second is tract, division, precinct, territory, neck of the woods. Now, neck of the woods is an informal way of saying it. The others are formal. Third, the section reserved for specific functions. Stretch, patch, quarter. Fourth, range or scope of inquiries will be sphere, remit, jurisdiction, scope. Fifth, field of study, field, operation, sphere. Sixth, length times breadth is expanse, stretch. Now there is no synonym for areaway.
Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.